Hey guys, with winter rolling in and the stress of the holidays fast approaching, I've been wearing my anthropology hat and taking note on some of the behavioural changes I see in people around me. And after entire minutes of research and statistical analysis, I've determined that some people need to chill. Just chill. I wanted to say that to more than 10 people in the last week, so this week's project is going to be a chill pill plushie. Maybe that will help. I don't know, but either way, this is going to be a fast project, so let's get into it. For this project, you will need some yarn suitable for plushies. I used my personal favourite, which is the King Cole Yummy yarn. I have it in white and blue in this case, but you can of course use any colour combo you choose. I will also be using some safety eyes, and any other materials I use will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so I know I said I'm making a chill pill, but I decided to make a capsule instead. So to begin the capsule, I started with the white yarn and crocheted a circle. Next, I elongated the circle to extend it into a cylinder. Before I carried on, I stopped to insert the safety eyes and just locked them into place before the next step. I then stopped at the halfway point and switched colours to the blue yarn. With the safety eye position locked in place, I went back to finish up the second half of the capsule. Before I closed up the capsule, I made sure to stuff it with some batting. At this point, we are finished with the body of the capsule, and you could stop here, but I wanted to make him slightly cuter by adding some limbs. Chill pills need to be able to stretch and relax, so I crocheted some arms and legs. These limbs are pretty simple. They're just basic cylinders, just slightly longer for the arms and slightly shorter for the legs. Once I had them all sewed on, I then went back to the face so that I could add some details. I finished off my chill pill with some details, including the cheek highlights and of course a cute little smile. So guys, while you watch me finish off embroidering the face details, but before we get to the reveal, I'd just like to say thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more, then please like, share, comment, and even consider subscribing. If you are feeling generous, then also please consider buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-fi. The link to my Ko-fi page will be included in the description box below, and any and all donations will be greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, take a breath, let go of that stress, and chill out with the beauty shots. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!